There are 4 types of number system: binary 0, 1, base 2, decimal 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, base 10, octal 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, base 8, and hexadecimal 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, A, B, C, D, E, F, base 16. Today we will learn about how to convert decimal number to binary number. To convert the decimal number 135 to its binary equivalent, you need to divide the number by 2 and keep track of the remainders. Here's the step-by-step process. Divide 135 by 2. Quotient 67. Remainder 1. Divide the quotient 67 by 2. Quotient 33. Remainder 1. Divide the quotient 33 by 2. Quotient 16. Remainder 1. Divide the quotient 16 by 2. Quotient 8. Remainder 0. Divide the quotient 8 by 2. Quotient 4. Remainder 0. Divide the quotient 4 by 2. Quotient 2. Remainder 0. Divide the quotient 2 by 2. Quotient 1. Remainder 0. Divide the quotient 1 by 2. Quotient 0. Remainder 1. Now, read the remainders from bottom to top, 10000111. So, the binary equivalent of the decimal number 135 is equals 10000111.
Let's do another one. Convert the decimal number 201 to its binary equivalent using the division by 2 method. Here are the steps. Divide 201 by 2. Quotient 100. Remainder 1. Divide the quotient 100 by 2. Quotient 50. Remainder 0. Divide the quotient 50 by 2. Quotient 25. Remainder 0. Divide the quotient 25 by 2. Quotient 12. Remainder 1. Divide the quotient 12 by 2. Quotient 6. Remainder 0. Divide the quotient 6 by 2. Quotient 3. Remainder 0. Divide the quotient 3 by 2. Quotient 1. Remainder 1. Divide the quotient 1 by 2. Quotient 0. Remainder 1. Now, read the remainders from bottom to top, 11001001. So, the binary equivalent of the decimal number 201 is 201 equals 11001001. Now here is a task for you. Convert the decimal number 345 to its binary equivalent. Write the answer in the comment box if you can do this.